Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters of ScottieDTV, but I was at the 2018 Summit Racing Equipment Atlanta Motorama, and there was a 68 custom Camaro, and when I say custom, I mean it is custom. This thing is over the top. I've never seen a first generation Camaro done quite like this one, and I didn't get an interview. I kept trying to go back to see if there was somebody there who could tell me a little bit about the car, but anyways, I didn't, so it's just going to be a walk around on it, but I thought y'all would like to see it. Let me get the camera turned around and take a quick look at it. What about that, huh? 68 custom Camaro. I like the wheel choice. It's got a good stance. A lot of body modifications done to this one. I wouldn't even know where to start. It looks like they maybe moved the gas cap to the sail panel on the passenger side. Some fender vents out of like a 78 or a 79 Z28. Change the way the hood affixes to the body or opens, however you want to look at that. All custom hood. Man, there's a lot of work there. And this isn't the garage area at the Atlanta Motor Speedway. They bring in some high-end custom cars like this Camaro and set them up in the garage. It's an awesome show, guys. If you didn't make it, you need to make plans to try to get there next year. Interior street machine race look. 5-year build. That's what the sign says. First time I'd seen it was here at the Summit Racing Equipment in Atlanta Motorama. Trunk got some amps mounted back there. I like how they've mounted moved the strikers to the corners too. You know, that big chunk in the middle for the center striker on the trunk. I like that gold up underneath the hood too. Adds a spark to it. Some shots of the interior from the driver's side. Some looks like some race seats. Some custom work going on in there. It's got a real strong race car pedigree to it. In my humble opinion. I hope that's what they were going for. I like the wheel choice. Put the ghost stripes there on the front of the nose. All aluminum 540 up under the hood. Very modified looking to me. Modified race car. I want to say dirt car, but they run them on asphalt too. With the tubing up under there, the brake tubing and all, and the way the air cleaner sits up. A lot of work went into that hood. Cool car. Like I said, if you didn't make it to the Summit Racing Equipment in Atlanta Motorama this year, make plans to make it next year. I'll put a link in the website, and they've already got the dates up, so you can start making plans now, saving your pennies. Because it's a great show. That's some great custom cars that they bring in. So there you go from the 2018 Summit Racing Equipment Atlanta Motorama. One crazy looking 1968 Camaro. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.